Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys have a Ford Mustang, it could be any generation guys, with 4, 6 or 8 cylinder engine, and you have a problem where you hear engine noise rattle on cold start engine noise rattle for only 1 or 2 seconds. We made a special video that explains what can easily cause that. If not fixed on time, you can say bye-bye to your engine, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Complete video will be on our YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. We guys have close to 10,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future car repairs.